Was super dangerous for people to randomly stop their autos on middle of the road. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another. I do not know whether they understand. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is me or Praveen K vlog. So today I'm back with another video, and today's video will be about types of people on Bangalore road. So I'll be showing you what kind of people we experience on Bangalore roads and how do they ride, everything in this video. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end. And right now I'm not alone, I'm along with my mother. So we are going to Ennore, which is at after near Kalyan Nagar. So we'll be going over there, and why we are going, everything I'll be let you guys know once we reach over there. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Right now I'm at Ayappa Nagar guys, and this is a narrow road which I never want to take my four-wheeler in this road, because it's so narrow that people park their two-wheeler, four-wheeler on both the sides, and it will be like a lot of traffic, especially during evening and even morning time, like post 8 it will be like super jam packed on this road, where it takes 30 minutes to cross this one small stretch of 200 meters. And as you can see, we are nearing to the circle. This is the junction which always be jam packed guys. So yeah guys, we are reaching Daivasandra now, and to be frank, watch out with this auto guys. They randomly stop their autos on middle of the road, and to be very careful. And now we are at the Devasandra, and look at these three boys who are on their pulsar bike, triple riding without helmet, which is like a dangerous stunt which they are doing, which is not recommended guys. And there's another person who's coming on the Avenger bike who doesn't have an helmet on his head, and all of a sudden he applies brake and he stands on middle of the road, which is like not good. So watch out for these kind of people on Bangalore roads, because you never know when these people will come up all of a sudden and they do the stunts, everything. I do not know whether they understand that even family, and if something goes wrong, even they'll be facing this issue. I don't know why do these people do this. So now we have reached this Venugopal Swami temple. From here till Kerpuram market, the traffic jam will be like peak during evening guys, so watch out. And I'm pretty sure there will be a lot of traffic jam over here as well. So as you can see, yes, we have, just because of this the BWSSB, they do these works in night, it would be peaceful for people also as well as for them as well. And look at this traffic jam, just because of an auto to my left hand side. He stopped over there, he is occupied that entire space of 3 feet has been gone for him. So due to it, there are a lot of traffic jam. Not only that, there's a small accident where people make scene. They do not let the car move. They do not want the car to be moved. They don't want a vehicle to be moved to the side and then discuss what has gone wrong, everything. They just want to fight on middle of the road and causing inconvenience to the people who are behind. So yeah, so now we'll reach Kerpuram now, and post that I'll catch you guys. So now we are at Kerpuram, and look at to my left hand side, there's a Royal Enfield guy who is without helmet and causing a lot of inconvenience to the fellow riders, where he's keep on going on honking and causing difficulties to other riders. And apart from this, there's another lady who's coming in the one way, as well as she's just aram se coming without any tension. So these kind of people are there on roadside, so watch out. Hey guys, we have reached the famous hanging bridge of Kerpuram. So we are on our way to Ennore. As I told you, we are going to Ennore, Kalyan Nagar. This is near to Kalyan Nagar. So the reason why we are going is to check out a few medical tests which have to be done to my mother. So that's the reason we are going over there. And on this road, I had to experience a lot of problems. Same like there are few idiots who just randomly take right and left without any indicator. Such incident was this Creta car, which all of a sudden he took a right without even giving any signal. So be careful with these kind of people who are always on road and who causes dangerous to other. So yeah, that's the one. And now we are moving towards Kasturi Nagar. As we cross, I see this two-wheeler. Sorry. See this two-wheeler to my left hand side. All of a sudden will come to the left side and overtakes, tries to join on to my right side. That is very dangerous. So watch out for this kind of people as well on roads, guys, because they are really dangerous. As I keep telling this, because people have experienced such issues in their life. That's the reason why I'm telling you guys, be extra careful when you're traveling on two-wheeler, especially because two-wheelers are the one who are into receiving in instead of giving it. So always be careful. So that's the thing. And now let's go finish this hospital work and then we'll leave to home back. Hello then, guys. So yeah, guys, we are done with the test and everything, and we are on our way back home, and the time is already 2 in the afternoon. So what happened is, like, they run a few tests. The report will come after 1 or 2 days. So we are right now at Kyarpuram bridge. I didn't show it from the hospital. That's because it's the same road. I'm not gonna show you. There's no much of thing to show on that road. And being in a afternoon, the vehicle crowd is also less, so that's the reason why I didn't shoot from there. And now let me know about the angle. So yeah, guys, I was about to turn off the camera and this scene started. So I thought, let's continue the video recording and let's show you guys. So we took a U-turn and we took an immediate left which goes to my place. So as soon as we took the left, this is what I was experiencing. A lot of traffic jam again, especially during the afternoon. I was thinking that there won't be much of traffic in the afternoon, but still no, it is there. And this left side, this blue color car, on purpose he was not letting us to go front. He was like, let them stay over here and let them get stuck. That's this kind of mentality people will be there on road as well, guys. So watch out for them as well, because they are 3 times dangerous than the normal riders who do the stunts and all. So always be careful with this kind of people who has this arrogance of they are the one who have to be on first. So be careful with these kind of people. So yeah, guys, now we are at Ayyappa Nagar and I'm really showing you a bit and pieces of this road. So this was on a main road which connects Ayyappa Nagar, Kodigelli, Sadaramangala, Beltor, everything. Look at the road condition of this road, guys. It's so pathetic. There's a lot of parts are in this road where it is like when it rains, it is like completely filled with water, and the riders will. But it's like dangerous for motorcycle as well as for four-wheeler, and especially for people who are walking on this road. My goodness, you should have seen this road, guys. It is like so pathetic. It is from the Ayyappa Nagar till Kodigelli. It is like this is how it is. This is how. Before election they started the work, and after election they left as it is. Then they just left it, and they just went. I don't know what our government is doing, what our elected candidate is doing on this thing. Are they aware of this kind of situation, that these roads are very pathetic, that people are riding on this road or driving on this road with dangerous, they are risking their life and they're riding. I have no idea whether these politicians are aware of this kind of. If anyone is watching on this, please do something for this road, because it's super dangerous for people to ride or drive on this road. And especially for elderly people travels on two-wheeler, it is like when it is rain, you have no idea where the pothole is and where the road is. This road completely is full of potholes, guys. That's how it is. And school children's, my goodness. And if a pregnant lady comes on this road, then gone case. It is very difficult for her. So I would request the government, please consider doing something on this road, because it's very pathetic. And tomorrow there will be another video which I'll be doing on my cycle. I'll be able to show you more better view of this road as well as different kind of roads, which was like before election they started the work, and after election how it is. So I'll be showing you all that in my next video. So stay tuned and watch that video, which will be uploaded maybe by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys. So yeah, I'll end the vlog over here itself. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do the like, share and subscribe to the channel, guys, because there are a lot of content which will be coming up in our channel. Stay tuned. So until then, peace out, bros.